Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Eli and welcome back to my channel for another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at two different apps that you can use to film your videos with. In fact, the little clip at the beginning of this video was filmed with those apps. Which one did you like better?
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry, I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz, put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
Today's video is not going to be a comparison or an in-depth review of what these apps can do. It's more or less going to be my opinions on those two apps. I am basically just going to go over the interface of each app and the price point and also the features that they offer. I am not going to be able to go through all of the features that they offer because it's not going to be an in-depth review or a comparison video. It's just my opinion on those two apps. And before we get into today's video, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. As you can see, we are not monetized and we are not sponsored. And these videos actually, they do cost money to produce. In order for us to continue improving on the quality of our videos, we need to be making some money in return. If you would like to know how you can help, here's how. In the description down below, we're gonna have some Amazon affiliate links. Those links, they include all the products that we use to make these videos possible. You can use them to grab some of those products, and when you do make a purchase, we get a small commission. And also, I am going to have my main Amazon affiliate link in the description, so you can just click on that as well and go buy whatever that you want to buy. Your help is really appreciated. Let's get into this video. The first app we're going to be talking about today is going to be the Promovie app. This app is going to run you about $3. That's $2.99. I'm not sure if it's available on Android, but it is available on the Apple Store. What are my thoughts about this app? I think this app is very basic. There is nothing pro about it. The only thing is it gives you access to your exposure, to your white balance, your shutter speed, and your focus. Those are the only things that it gives you control to, which is actually quite a lot. But compared to the other apps, there is not much that it can do. One thing that I don't like about this app is that it looks very distracting. There's a whole bunch of numbers on the screen. Yeah, they're on the top row or the bottom row, but those numbers are very distracting to me. As soon as you move it, you can see those numbers are changing, the quality are changing, unless you put it in manual mode, which not everything in there is actually capable of going into manual mode. But for that price point, it's not really much to complain about. $3, boring app. That's all I got to say about this. And the other app that I wanted to talk about today is Filmic Pro. Filmic Pro is a very expensive and complicated app. But what's more important to me is that the interface is not very distracting. Now, this app offers a lot of features, of which a lot of them I don't even know what they do. I am not a filmmaker, so I know those features are not features that I'm ever going to be using. But if you're serious about improving the quality of your videos, then I think this app is worth the buy. Now, this app is going to run you about $30 plus to get the entire app unlocked. But if you just want the basic features, then about $15, if I'm not mistaken, is the price that you need to pay. It offers you a lot of features that a filmmaker would need and actually have use for. So if you are one of those people, then this app is a great buy for you. The same features that I already mentioned about on the Promovie app are the same features that this app also offers. This app even goes further to give you hands-on control to your coloring scheme, as well as focus picking. Those things I think are very important to filming videos, so check it out. So which one do I think is better? Well, it depends on what you're doing and your experience. If you don't have much experience, then Filmic Pro could be a little intimidating. But if you do have the experience, then it is worth looking into. Now, as far as for me, which do I prefer? Well, I use both of them. I started out with Promovie, and now I'm using Filmic Pro, which, like I said, I'll admit there's a couple things that I don't know what they are used for. But again, I am not a filmmaker. I'm just a YouTuber who's looking for the best way to improve the quality of my videos. You guys can comment down below to tell me which one that you use and why do you use that and how has it been working for you. And this is all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And I will see you next time in the next video.
Yeah, this ain't money, don't grow on trees, so how I'm supposed to get some monies? If I ain't thuggin', I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case, yeah. Money and everything.